In this video, we are going to show some simulations developed by P-School for solving basic math problems. Using a calculator, you can find the answer, but we try to give step-by-step process to reach the answer. Let us start with addition. First, the units place digit of all numbers are added. Using the next button, you can walk through the solution step by step. You can select any of the problems already available, or you can type your own problems. It also works for decimal numbers. Now let us check subtraction. If the top digit is lesser than the bottom digit, we can borrow from the previous digit. Now let us check multiplication. Now let us check division. Division comes in two flavors. The first one gives answer as quotient and remainder, whereas the second one gives the answer in decimals. Any number can be written as product of prime numbers. It is known as prime factorization. We can also find LCM and HCF of a set of numbers which cannot be found using a calculator. We do have some computer science problems like converting decimal numbers to binary numbers or hexadecimal numbers and vice versa. If you are a teacher or a parent helping slow learning students, these simulations will really be helpful to practice problems and make it easy for students. Please follow the link given in the description and try it yourself. Thank you.